Good morning, all. My name is G.V. Rao, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, working in Nalana Simhareddy Engineering College. And today I am going to explain about random variables. Random variables. Here, in the last chapter, we considered the concept of random experiment, events, sample space, and sample points. In the basic probability, we discussed about random experiment, events, sample space, and sample points. The events described on a random experiment may be numerical or non-numerical. Non-numerical is also called the descriptive. For example, when we throw a die are numerical, we get the outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Hence the sample space is numerical. The numbers are numericals. The outcomes are the numericals. But when we toss a coin, are non-numerical or non-numerical, we get outcomes head or tail. Here the sample space is descriptive. Numericals are the outcomes are numerical. That is called the that is called the numerical. If here the outcomes are what numbers, that is called the numerical. Here we get a non-numerical, either head or tail. That is called the non-numerical. A non-numerical sample space is called the descriptive. Next, random variables. What is random variables? We know that a variable is a quality which changes or varies. What is a variable? We know that it varies. It has varies. We know that a variable is a quality which changes or varies. The change may be occur due to the time factor or any factor. For example, height of a person vary with the age. Height of a person vary with the age. But age of a person changes with the time. Age of a person with the time. For example, here in at the age of 10 years, the height of a person is what? Maybe 3.4 feet or 4.5 feet. Height of person vary with the age. If age is increasing, the height is also increased. But age of a person changes with the time. Okay, for this year, 2020, his age is 10 years. 2021, his age is 11 years. That is, if the age of a person changes with the time. A variable is called a random variable when there is a chance factor associated with the various values. A variable is called a random variable. A variable is called a random variable when there is a chance factor associated with the various values. Associated with the various values. Definition. The general definition. These are the random variables. The definition about the random variables is a variable x whose value is determined by the outcome of a random experiment is called random variables. A variable x whose value is determined by the outcome of a random experiment is called the random variable. A random variable x can also be regarded as a real value function defined on the sample space S of a random experiment. A random variable x can also be regarded as a real value function defined on the sample space S of a random experiment such that for each x of the sample space f of x is the probability of occurrence of the event represented by x. Next, for example, the sample space corresponding to tossing of two coins. The sample space corresponding to tossing of two coins. What are the sample points? The sample points can be head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. That is, the sample space is denoted by S is equal to, can be written in the set form HH comma THT comma TH comma TT. Here we count the number of tiles denoted by X. We count the number of tiles. We can represent this descriptive can be in numerical form. That is, when we count the number of tiles denoted by X, HH has 0 tail. Okay, in first experiment, we are counting tiles only. Here in this no tail, that is we count as 0. X is equal to 0. HT or TH has 1 tail, so X is equal to 1. Tail has 2 tails, that is X is equal to 2. We can represent in this can be numerical form. Next, types of random variables. There are two types of the random variables. One is the discrete random variable. Second one is continuous random variable. One is the discrete random variable. Second one is the continuous random variable. Discrete random variable. A random variable x which can take only a finite number of discrete values in an interval of a domain is called a discrete random variable. What is the discrete random variable? A random variable x which can take only a finite number of discrete values. Finite number of discrete values in an interval of domain is called discrete random variable. It takes only finite values. What is the discrete random variable? It takes only finite values. What are the finite values? Denoted by 0, 1, 2 up to so on n. Here n is defined. If the variables are finite number of variables, that random variable is called the discrete random variables. Next, here we'll go to the 3 examples. Tossing a 2 coins, throw a dice, number of pages in a book. Number of pages in a book are also finite. Tossing a 2 coins, we get outcomes are finite. Throw a dice is also finite. Number of phone calls received by the telephone operator. Number of phone calls received by the telephone operator. Next, here in this class, I am going, present I am teaching for second year mechanical. The second year mechanical class strength is a finite value. Okay, it takes only finite. X of s is equal to, for example 1, tossing a 2 coin, we can represent it as x of s is equal to sample 0, 1, 2. Here we are counting tails in that. In previous example, we counted tails. Here in the first experiment, we get a head, that is the tails are 0, 0, 1, 2. This is the tails count. Next, in example 3, the random variable denoted by the number of students in a class is x of x is equal to x. X is a positive integer. X is a positive integer. Next, continuous random variable. Continuous random variable. A random variable x which can take values continuously. Which can take continuously. A random variable x which can take values continuously, that is, which takes all possible values in a given interval. Which takes all possible values in a given interval is called continuous random variables. Continuous random variables. What are the continuous random variables? For example, height, comma, weight and age of individuals are examples of continuous random variables. For suppose height and weight and age is also continuously taking the values, continuously increasing the age. Next, weight is also. Next, temperature and time. This if time is increasing, temperature is also increasing. The time and temperature, these are the which takes the continuous values, is called the continuous random variable. Here in this class I explained what is a random variable and what is a random variable. In previous probability we discussed about the sample space. That sample space outcomes are the numerical numbers. But in random variables it has a descriptive means there are non-numerical. For example, we are throwing a die, the outcomes are 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That is numerical. But here in random variables, when we toss a coin, either we get either head or tail. These are non-numerical. For example, we are throwing two coins. We get the possibility outcomes are head, tail, head or tail. In this, we are counting tails. It can be represented in a numerical form is capital X is equal to, we denoted as 0, 1, 2. What is 0 in the first event, in the first outcome? We are counting the tail. In the second one, we count the tail count. Next, third outcome also we count the tail count. That can be represented in capital X is equal to 0, 1, 2. Next, there are two types of the random variables. One is a discrete random variable. Second one is continuous random variable. What is the discrete random variable? Discrete random variable is nothing but it can take the any finite number of discrete values. It has only finite number of discrete values. That is called the discrete random variable. Here examples are toss a coin, next to throw a die. These are we get the finite outcomes. Next, continuous random variable. What is continuous random variable? A random variable x which take continuously the values is called the continuous random variable. This is the random variable. What is the random variable? In this class I explained what is random variable and what example, and there are two types of the random variables. One is the discrete random variable examples and continuous random variables. Thank you.